ConvertKit Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so make sure to check them out. In this video, we're diving into ConvertKit, an email marketing platform that's gained a lot of attention in the e-commerce and dropshipping space. We'll break down its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's made for, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your business. ConvertKit is designed for creators, bloggers, and e-commerce businesses looking to grow their email list and automate marketing. It's a simple yet powerful tool that helps you manage subscribers, create email sequences, and nurture customer relationships. What makes ConvertKit stand out is its user-friendly interface and focus on automation, making it a solid choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to streamline their marketing efforts. Key features. Automated email sequences. ConvertKit allows you to create automated email sequences, which can be triggered based on customer actions, such as sign-ups or purchases. This helps you stay connected with customers without constantly being in your inbox. Landing pages and forms. It offers customizable landing pages and forms to capture leads effectively. You can create opt-in pages for discounts, free trials, or lead magnets to boost your subscriber list. Segmentation and tagging. With ConvertKit, you can segment your audience based on their behavior, location, or tags, allowing you to send targeted messages. This feature helps you tailor your marketing and increase conversions. Easy-to-use workflow automation. Its visual automation builder is intuitive, allowing you to set up complex workflows with ease. No technical skills are required to get your automation campaigns running smoothly. Integrations. ConvertKit integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Zapier, making it easy to sync data and trigger automated workflows from your store. Who is it for? ConvertKit is best suited for dropshipping entrepreneurs, content creators, and small business owners looking for an intuitive, easy-to-use email marketing tool with powerful automation features. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. User-friendly interface, powerful automation, easy segmentation, integrations with e-commerce platforms. Weaknesses. Limited design options, can get expensive as your list grows, fewer advanced features compared to other platforms like ActiveCampaign. Final verdict. ConvertKit is a fantastic tool for dropshipping businesses that want a simple, effective email marketing platform with strong automation. While it's not the most feature-packed option out there, its ease of use and automation capabilities make it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to scale their marketing without the complexity. Check out the links in the description to start using ConvertKit today and take your dropshipping business to the next level.